Hi guys, thank you for watching, and in this video we are gonna cover Revolve boss or base feature. So this is pretty similar with extruded boss or base, but this is a bit different. So let's go into this feature and let's see how it works. Because in this feature we just need to select the axis of revolution. So in this way this is different from extruded boss or base. So let's go into the SolidWorks and let's see how it works. So right now I am into the files, I'm gonna go into the new, and then I'm gonna select the part and double click on it. So right now I am into the part environment. So in the start, as normal, we need to select our first fundamental plane. So we can select any plane and then we can go into the sketch, and then here into the ribbon section, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna make some lines, so center lines. So I want to draw my first line here, a random line. I want to have my second line here. I want to have one of more line here, and I want to have one line from the origin. And then I'm gonna click the green check mark. So I want to have some circles. I want to have one circle here. I want to have one more rectangle, let's say here, and then I'm gonna click the green check mark. So right now, first, I just want to use only rectangle. So I'm gonna just change the circle from normal geometry to a construction geometry. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna right click on it, and here is the option, and I can choose this geometry to construction geometry. We already learned this in previous videos, like if we are gonna change from normal geometry to a construction geometry, so then we are not gonna use that sketch as a regular sketch. So that's why I just change it, and then I'm gonna exit the sketch. So this is my sketch right now. So right now I am into the features. So here into the tab menus, you can see there is a feature, and here is our option, which is Revolve base. So I'm gonna select this Revolve base, and the first thing which the Revolve base feature is gonna ask, what is the axis of revolution? So you need to select the axis of revolution. Suppose I want to select this axis. So as you can see, here is the arrow, so in which direction you want to revolve. So right now it's a 360 degree, that's why it does not matter a lot. But if you want to change it to 180 or whatever, so then you can just change the direction. So right now I'm just gonna go with the 360 degree, and then I'm gonna click the green check mark. Boom. So look, in this way we just created very quickly our first washer. So right now I'm gonna go back into the feature manager. I am just gonna edit this feature, and then I'm gonna change it to 180 degree. So in this way, look, this is revolving in this direction, and you can see there is an arrow. If you want to extend, so you can just rotate it inwards or outwards, and you can change how much degree you want to revolve. Let's say till here, and then I'm gonna click the green check mark, so it's gonna revolve like this. Sorry for distraction, but if you think my videos are helpful for you, or if you are a serious SolidWorks learner, I'm gonna highly recommend you can go into the description of this video, where you can find my course link, in which I have over 10 hours of videos in which I explain each and every command in a detailed way. Thank you. Again, I'm gonna go back into the feature, edit features, and if I want to change the direction of revolution, not from this side, I want to change from this side. So what I'm gonna do is here under the direction one, there is an arrow. So you can click on that, and then in this way you can change your direction of revolution. Okay, there is one more thing. Here you can see the blind, which is by default selected. So how you want to revolve, blindly, or you want to revolve up to next vertex. If you have some vertex, you can choose this, or up to next surface. If you have some surface, you can choose the surface, and you can ask revolve up to next surface. Or you can offset from the surface. If you want to have an offset, you want to have offset. So what you can do is you can just select, and then you can revolve from a certain offset. Or you can go and you can just revolve by mid plane. So if I'm going to select the mid plane, so what it's going to do is it's 237 degrees. So it's going to revolve half upward and half downward. So this is going to use this as a mid plane. I'm gonna go back into the blind, and then I'm gonna select it 180 degree again. I want to make things simple, so that's why I'm gonna choose this. Okay, the another thing is, if you want to revolve in both direction at a time, so what you can do is you can go here into the direction 2, you can check this, And then again you have all those options in this side as well, like how you want to revolve, and then you need to select how many degrees you want to revolve. Like you can edit your values manually, or there are two tiny arrows here. You can decrease or you can increase your values by using these arrows. There are some options to select contours. You can select your contours as well. So right now I don't want to go into the direction 2. This is just I want to explain it. As I already mentioned, I want to have simple things. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click the green check mark. So in this way we have our half washer here. Okay, so the next most interesting thing is, like as you can see into the feature manager, there is a tiny triangle. So if I'm going to click on that, so you can go into the sketch. So this is our sketch which we made in the start. So I'm going to click on this sketch, and there is an option to edit sketch. So I'm going to click the edit sketch. So this is my sketch here. So what I want to do is I just want to change this construction geometry of the circle from construction to the normal. So what I can do is I can right click on that, and you can see there is an option construction geometry which we already selected. So I want to unselect this, and then this is going to be changed to a normal geometry. And then if I'm gonna cancel the sketch, so revolve feature is automatically gonna apply on this circle as well, and then I'm gonna cancel the sketch. Look at that. So in this way I have two revolve features around two different sketches. I'm gonna focus. Okay, then I'm gonna go back into the sketch again, and I want to edit the sketch. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna make a tube. So I want to have a circle into this circle, and I want to have one circle here into the center of the rectangle. And now it's gonna apply on all these sketches, and now I'm gonna cancel the sketch. So let's see. Boom, look at that. We can have pretty nice models here by using this sketch. So I'm gonna go back into the sketch again. I'm gonna edit the sketch, and let's say I want to have a polygon here. Let's say we want to have a polygon here, and then I'm gonna cancel the sketch again. Look at that. Okay, so what is the next thing I want to apply is I want to change the axis of revolution. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go into the feature again and edit feature, and then right now I am using line 4 as an axis of revolution. So I want to change this, and I want to delete this axis, and I want to select another axis like this, and then I'm gonna click. Look at that. So in this way, like I have my axis of revolution is changed, so that's why my sketch and my these 3D solids are gonna change. So this is a really interesting tool. By using this tool you can have multiple things and you can make some awesome designs. And that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. And if you are a serious SolidWorks learner, then don't forget to check the course link in the description. Thank you. Sorry for distraction, but if you think my videos are helpful for you, or if you are a serious SolidWorks learner, I am gonna highly recommend you can go into the description of this video where you can find my course link, in which I have over 10 hours of videos in which I explain each and every command in a detailed way. Thank you.